Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should have your device unlocked and know your screen time passcode and Apple ID. Open Settings and tap Screen Time to begin. This takes you directly to the control panel. Once there, scan the top of the screen to confirm screen time is active so you don't waste time. Next, identify whether you're disabling screen time for this device or for a child account. That choice affects the next steps. Make sure you're ready to enter the passcode when prompted. Tap Turn Off Screen Time and then confirm your choice. This removes time limits and app restrictions from this device. When prompted, enter the screen time passcode. This is required to revert settings. If you use family sharing, disable share across devices to stop the settings syncing to other devices. Once done, make sure app limits and downtime are cleared. You can verify by scrolling through the screen time summary and checking that limits show as off or 0. You should see screen time marked off. Restart the device to ensure all restrictions are removed. If you can't turn it off because you forgot the passcode, try Reset Passcode using your Apple ID recovery option or follow the device restore path. Note that restore may erase data if you don't have a backup. If child or family limits remain, check family sharing settings and the organizer's screen time controls. One tip, sign out and back into iCloud if
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.